Trying to make your Microsoft Word documents more interesting, it's always a good idea to fully engage with your readers to keep them focused on your message. Clipart in MS Word is the perfect way to do exactly that. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress and I'm a Microsoft Word Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find, add, and use Clipart in Microsoft Word. Clipart Word designs are amazingly easy to work with, and they'll help you create stylish and fun docs fast. For this tutorial, we'll work with the stylish Word letterhead template from Elements. I have it downloaded and open here in Word, and you can see the page layouts here as I scroll through. Now, let's learn how to add Clipart Microsoft Word designs. Our first option is to use Word's online collection of clipart that you can add to your documents. To get started, I'll go ahead and place my cursor where I want to add a piece of clipart. Then let's come up here to the Insert tab. You'll find this on the ribbon, this list of menus and options here at the top of the screen. Hover over Insert and click on it. Then find the Illustration section here and click on the Pictures drop-down arrow. You'll see some options listed off. The one you need is Online Pictures, so let's choose this. In the center of the screen, Word will launch the Online Pictures menu. From here, you can use the search box to find clipart designs. Try searching by keyword or phrase to find relevant images. When you've typed in your search, go ahead and hit enter and you'll see the results displayed like this. By default, the Creative Commons only filter is checked. It's a good idea to leave this activated because it means that the content creator has given permission to use and share their work. Next to the checkbox, let's launch this filter option. You'll see several options here to help you narrow down your search results. These include size, type, layout, colors, and more. The most important filter for our purpose here is here in the type group, and it's labeled Clipart. Click it, and you'll see all non-Clipart images disappear from your search results. Now, let's look at the Clipart Microsoft Word options here. When you see a design you want to use, click on its thumbnail. This selects the clipart. You can also multi-select several clipart designs simply by clicking on more than one thumbnail. When you're ready to add the clipart, come down here to the lower right corner of the menu. Then click Insert. Watch as your selected Clipart Word designs appear on your page. From here, you can start making creative changes. Clipart in Word behaves like any other image. For example, you can resize the clipart itself. To do that, click and drag on one corner of the clipart with your cursor, as you're seeing me do here. You can also click and hold on the center of the clipart to move it around your Word doc. With your clipart in MS Word selected, you can make many other changes to your design. To do that, come up here to the ribbon again and choose the Picture Format tab. Here, you'll find an array of options. For example, here in the Adjust group, we can apply new colors and styles to the clipart. By clicking on the Color drop-down here, you can adjust the color of your clipart. Let's make this design black and white by clicking on Grayscale here in the Recolor group. You can also control how clipart interacts with text on the page. These options live over here in the Arrange group, especially on the Wrap Text drop-down. This is a key part of your design process, ensuring your clipart perfectly pairs with the text around it. Another option for clipart in MS Word is an icon design. To add these, place your cursor where you'd like to add an icon design. Then return to the Insert tab on the ribbon, and this time choose Icons. On the Stock Images menu, find the Icons tab here, and search for a design that you want to use. From here, you can choose one by clicking on the thumbnail and choosing Insert. Let's revisit the powerful Envato Elements offer. Elements includes thousands of premium custom icon designs that you can use for Clipart Word. Here, let's demonstrate with the truck driver sitting in construction truck clipart from Elements. I have it downloaded, and let's place our cursor in our Word doc here, where we'd like to add the clipart. Once again, returning to the Insert tab, let's go to the Pictures drop-down menu again. Click it and then browse to your clipart download. Browse to its location on your computer, click it, and choose Insert. Word will import the clipart design that you've downloaded from Envato Elements. Now you can edit it just like we did before. As you can see, it's amazingly easy to work with Clipart Microsoft Word designs and styles. That's all thanks to the power of premium templates from Envato Elements. Elements is a creative powerhouse with an incredible offer: unlimited downloads. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many Clipart Word designs as you want. Plus, you'll enjoy fonts, stock photos, audio, and so much more. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find countless other tutorials just like this one. Plus, you'll enjoy content roundups, courses, and so much more. It's a top resource in 2023 for all of your creative needs. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.